Robotics has always been at the forefront of technological advancements, from industrial automation to space exploration. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in developing humanoid robots that can perform a wide range of tasks alongside humans. One such groundbreaking robot is Apollo, the latest creation by Austin-based robotics startup, Apptronik. Apollo is not just an ordinary robot. It is envisioned as the iPhone of robots, capable of revolutionizing various industries and even venturing into outer space. The birth of Apollo. Apptronik's team, consisting of former members of the Human-Centered Robotics Lab at the University of Texas at Austin, has been working tirelessly to design and develop humanoid robots that can seamlessly interact with humans. Their journey began with Valkyrie, a bipedal humanoid robot created in collaboration with NASA for the DARPA Robotics Challenge. This experience laid the foundation for the development of Apollo, incorporating the knowledge gained from working on Valkyrie's design. Introducing Apollo, a true humanoid. Apollo stands at an impressive height of 5 feet, 8 inches and weighs 160 pounds. Its human-like appearance and approachable features set it apart from the typical robots we envision. To avoid the uncanny valley effect, where humans feel uneasy about human-like robots, Apollo has been designed with intentional movements and digital panels on its chest for clear communication. These features make Apollo more relatable and user-friendly. Versatile and agile. Apollo's capabilities. Apollo has been designed to handle a variety of tasks that are considered dull, dirty, and dangerous for humans. It can lift up to 55 pounds and work alongside humans safely. Unlike traditional robots that rely on hydraulics, Apollo utilizes electricity, making it safer and more efficient. With a 4-hour battery life and the ability to change batteries, Apollo can operate for up to 22 hours in a workday. The power of adaptability. Apollo's potential. Apptronik's ultimate goal is to create a robot that can adapt to various environments and perform a multitude of tasks. Apollo aims to be the iPhone of robots, with the ability to learn and update its capabilities through software updates. This versatility makes Apollo a valuable asset in industries such as logistics, construction, electronics production, retail, and even elder care. The journey to commercial production. Apptronik is actively working towards bringing Apollo to the market. In the near future, Apollo will be available for commercial production, with a target of full-scale production by the end of 2024. The focus for this year is securing commercial clients and manufacturers who can benefit from Apollo's capabilities in improving logistics and addressing labor shortages. The actuators. Apollo's muscles. At the core of Apollo's design are its actuators, which act as the robot's muscles. Apptronik's team has developed more than 35 iterations of these actuators, enabling Apollo to perform human-like actions such as walking, flexing its arms, and grasping objects. With around 30 different muscle groups, Apollo can carry out basic actions and activities with ease. Navigating uncertain environments. As Apollo progresses, its ability to navigate uncertain environments becomes crucial. The robot's head contains a perception camera, and sensors on its torso provide a 360-degree view of the surroundings. This allows Apollo to map out its environment and determine the best path. Apollo's locomotion capabilities will play a vital role as it ventures into more challenging environments, including outdoor spaces and potentially even the moon's surface. Partnering with NASA, exploring new frontiers. Apptronik is proud to be one of NASA's partners in humanoid robot development. While Apollo's initial focus is on Earth-based applications, the ultimate vision is for Apollo to assist in space exploration. With its adaptability and versatility, Apollo could play a crucial role in building and testing environments on the Moon and Mars before astronauts arrive. This would ensure the safety and efficiency of future missions. A glimpse into the future. The possibilities for Apollo are endless. As the technology continues to evolve, Apollo's capabilities will expand. In the next decade, we could witness the deployment of general-purpose robots in space, allowing humans to focus on exploration and scientific discoveries. With Apollo paving the way, the future of robotics and space exploration is brighter than ever. To sum up, Apollo represents a significant milestone in robotics, pushing the boundaries of what humanoid robots can achieve. With its human-like appearance, adaptability, and versatility, Apollo has the potential to revolutionize industries and assist in space exploration. As Apptronik continues its journey to bring Apollo to the market, we can look forward to a future where robots like Apollo work alongside humans, making our lives easier and expanding our reach beyond Earth. The iPhone of robots is here, and it's ready to change the world. Click here to watch Rage of the Sun. Internet Apocalypse may run for 2025. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss any of our future videos.